Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to delete a Facebook account permanently. Open up the Facebook app. Go into Menu. Click on the settings icon from the top right corner. Tap to see more in Account Center from Meta Account Center. Then go into Personal Details. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Then choose the deactivation or deletion option. Select to permanently delete your account, then click to continue. Choose the reason you are deleting your account, then click to continue and continue. Now read all the details, then click to continue. Enter your Facebook account password. Then press continue and your account is deactivated permanently. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.